everyone, welcome to Illusion Land. Today we are going to talk about some famous known in science illusions, which are coin spinner, bird in a cage experiment and the Newton ring. I'll tell you about them. But first up, Miss Coin Spinner. So you see here I have you see the things, right? Now look carefully. Spin. Now they all disappeared. So it's cause of the illusions. It is spinning so fast that our eyes cannot see it. So it thinks it's not even. It thinks it's just lines, small lines, circular lines. So next up, we have Mr. Bird in a cage. Spin, spin, spin. So what do you see here? A bird, right? And here, what do you see here? A cage. Now let me spin it. I'll show you the magic. So what do you see? A bird in a cage? That's cause of the illusion again. Same principle of the coin spinner. It's spinning so fast that our eyes cannot see it. So it thinks there's a bird in a cage, not one side bird and one side cage. So both the pictures look on the same side. Now, last but not the least, the Newton ring. It's made with some electronics. Or you could do it, or you could see my Playto Labs experiment, and you could try it without the electronics. So if you want to try the electronics, keep watching. So here we have a battery, here we have a switch, here we have some wires and a motor, and of course the Newton ring, which has all the 7 colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. So here, you see all the colors clearly, right? So now watch what happens. So you won't see it anymore, you will see something else. When I on the switch, keep watching. Are they still here? No, you cannot see them anymore. That's cause of the illusion again. So it's spinning so fast that our eyes cannot see it. This is all thanks to spinning illusions or optical illusions. Optical illusions is the same. So you can call it spinning illusions or optical illusions. So before you leave, I have a question for you. The earth is also spinning. We are spinning along with it. Do you feel it spinning? Why don't we feel it? So let me know down in the comments. Hope you enjoyed it. See you again. And say your bye in the spin far. Bye. If you want to feel the illusions on your own, do check out at the Science Museum or Illusion Museum in Delhi, India. I hope you enjoyed it. Say your bye in the spin far. Bye.